The road to our Green School's second place win began in the fall with Intro to Sustainability students collecting biodiversity data on our campus.
We are students here at MRH Middle School working for our topics and sustainability class we have here.
Kids compared the species richness and evenness of areas.
In our class, we have 4 different groups working on 4 different projects. These groups include an invasive species group, soil group, plant group, and outreach group.
We also had a school-wide town hall biodiversity speaker. He went up in front of our entire middle school.
Sustainability and science classes even partnering with other courses to add might to their mission to reduce invasive species.
We also went to the Missouri S&T and we looked at their green roof, where we learned about engineering and design.
In March, 128 students organized to extract Japanese bush honeysuckle at Kellogg Park. They removed 2,387 cubic feet worth of invasive species. This helps to halt extinction of native plants due to competition. Trouble specimens do not fit within the food chain, can block waterways, and divert essential resources. This effort was so successful, we hope to repeat this event in the future. We partnered with the City of Maplewood to rehabilitate a vacant site into a garden space that emphasizes native plants. This aligns with our studies of biodiversity and soil quality. We started by using the Seek app to test sites around our school campus. Tree cookies are part of a soil monitoring system. These look like stepping stones but allow kids to turn them over when it is time to check samples for quality updates. Initial poor soil at 7172 Manchester was due to the fact that a building once stood on this section.
Our plant group is finding new and improved plants to put in the Manchester Road Pocket Park. They are looking for plants that will beautify the area and that will work with the level of sun, soil, moisture, and the space provided. The Pocket Park hasn't gotten a lot of love in the past, so our plant group is working to make sure it looks good as new.
Students tended to the dirt and chose plants that would help rehabilitate the growing power of the plot. They hope to support local fauna and pollinators, ward off invasive species, develop the soil monitoring program, and support the nearby community with an accessible urban green space. Some of the species our student teams planted include
Blue holly, dogwood,
milkweed,
wait, who wants to say milkweed for me?
and sweet coneflower.
Our mission is to help change our world, keep it healthy, and make sure everyone understands the importance of biodiversity.